Today is Wednesday, May 11th of 2022. Right now it's 2:40. I just came into Nicholasville, picked up an order and dropped off. Grubhub sent me this around 1:40 for $32.42, so it's a great amount to start off the day. In other words, a quarter of my goal is already complete, and I like it. So right now I got all three of my apps on. That is Uber. Where are you? So Uber, DoorDash, and Grubhub. So all three of my apps are on. I'm trying to see if I can hit $100 by 6 o'clock, right before the rush starts, and hopefully be out of here by 7. So let's see what happens. So far we are 32.42 for the start of the day. And let's bring that $70 more and get home. I do apologize. I am not on DoorDash yet, but I am trying to see if I can sneak in. Okay, it is 3:11. I just finally got on DoorDash. Man, it took a long time for me to get on the DoorDash, but we're in. So can we bring $70 in 3 hours? Let's see it. Okay, I'm getting this offer for $6.25, which is probably going to be more. Let's take it. And we have fire truck. Something here is going on. Oh wow, what a nasty accident. Ouch. Okay, I just got an offer on Uber for $18.69 for 16.2 miles going to Versailles. I took it because Grubhub tried to pull me into Nicholasville. That's going to be a good place for them to pull me. And that brings me to about 50 something bucks for the day. And here I am in Versailles. Just dropped off the order like 5 minutes ago as I was heading back to Lexington. I got this order, so right now I have to just figure out how to get back to Nicholasville from here with GPS for help. So $26, which is exactly what I was hoping. I'll get to Versailles and they will send me to Nicholasville. And Uber sent me this order, so I just picked up the Grubhub order right now, going back to pick up the Zaxby's order, and I'll take the round circle, drop off the Grubhub, and then drop off the Uber. So turns out really good money. And that puts me at $95, so I need $5 more. So I reached $100 almost at 5 o'clock, an hour early. Okay, and this is my final order for this video, which should be done by 6 o'clock. It's $6.25, probably might have a hidden tip on it. Raising Cane's. I'll drop it off and call it a day because I do have some stuff that's sitting by the door that came in from Amazon that I need to get to before somebody else does. So guys, be blessed, and I will be back with more videos.